Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series, Vector Calculus, Lecture number 7 by Professor K.V. Narasimhan. So, today's topic is directional derivatives. So, today we will discuss about few problems based on directional derivatives. What is the question? Find the directional derivatives. Find the directional derivative of phi equals to xyz along the direction of the normal to the surface x square z plus y square x plus y z square equals to 3 at the point 1, 1, 1. So, what is the given question here? Find the directional derivative of phi. So, what is the directional derivative formula? The directional derivative formula is directional derivative equals to del phi dot E bar by mod E bar, modulus of E bar. Now, what is E bar? So, phi is known, here phi is known, just find the gradient of phi, then find E. What is E here? After finding E, just find the directional derivative using the formula del phi dot E bar by mod E bar. What is E? What is E? E bar is the E bar. What is in the question? Along the direction of the normal to the surface. So, E bar is the normal to this surface. Suppose if you assume this is G equals to x square z plus y square x plus yz square. If you assume G equals to x square second surface, x square z plus y square x plus yz square minus 3. Now, E bar is normal to this surface. Normal to this surface is del G. So, what is the diagram? Now, find the directional derivative of first surface phi at a particular point P in the direction of, what is the direction here? E bar. E bar is, now take another surface, G is another surface, at some point Q, find the normal to the surface, normal n equals to del G. Now, this n is same as E bar. So, E bar equals to del G. So, here G is the second surface, so just find the gradient of G, then this gradient is nothing but E bar of the directional derivative of phi. Now, using this concept, then we will find the value. Okay, one by one. Now, this is the concept. Now, solution. First we will find gradient of phi. What is gradient of phi? I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. What is phi here? What is phi? Phi is given x, y, z. Very simple. Simple function is given x, y, z. Now, then how to find gradient I into dou by dou x of x, y, z plus j into dou by dou y of x, y, z plus k into dou by dou z of x, y, z. Okay, fine. Now, I into partial derivative with respect to x, that is yz. Here partial derivative with respect to y is xz, xz into j. Partial derivative with respect to z, that is xy into k. Now at a point, what is the given point? Now the given point is same point 1 1 1. Okay, then no problem. At the point 1 1 1. Now del phi equals to, put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 1. So I plus j plus k. Now this is phi. Okay. Now we will find del g for finding E bar. Now what is g? G equals to here, g equals to g equals to, let g equals to, what is the given surface? X square z plus y square into x plus y z square equals to 3. So that is a minus 3. Now let's see, g equals to x square z plus y square x plus y z square minus 3. Now find E bar. What is E bar? E bar is already we discussed del g. What is del g? I dou g by dou x plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. Now find the partial derivative. Find the partial derivative with respect to x. First with respect to x. With respect to x is 2xz. 2xz. Here x term is y square. Y square x derivative is y square. Here there is no x term into plus j into y derivative with respect to y derivative 2xy plus y derivative z square. This is plus z square plus k into, with respect to z is x square plus 2yz. Here y derivative is 2z into y. So at the same point, at the point 1 1 1, E bar equals to del g equals to, now this is 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Now modulus of E bar. What is modulus of E bar? Square root of 9 plus 9 plus 9. Root 27 is nothing but 3 root 3. Okay. What is the directional derivative formula? The directional derivative is directional derivative equals to del phi dot E bar divided by mod E bar. Now using this one, directional derivative equals to del phi equals to, already we got the value I plus j plus k. I plus j plus k dot product of 3i plus 3j plus 3k divided by 3 root 3. Now this value is I into I is, now this is 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 3 root 3. Now this is 9 by 3 root 3, nothing but 3 by root 3. So this is nothing but root 3. Now this is the required solution. Very simple. Very simple. Already we discussed the similar question in the earlier lecture. So find the directional derivative. Find the directional derivative of phi along the direction of the normal to the surface x square z plus y square x plus y z square equals to 3. So directional derivative equals to del phi dot e bar by mod e. E is the direction is nothing but normal to this surface. Normal to this surface is normal is nothing but del g. Now this one del g. Okay. Now after finding first find del phi. After finding del phi, put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 1, you will get I plus j plus k. Then find the gradient of g. Gradient of g equals to I dou j by dou x plus j dou j by dou y plus k dou j by dou z. Now this is nothing but e bar. Now put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 1, you will get e bar. E bar equals to ti plus 3j plus 3k. Modulus of e bar equals to square root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Now this is 27, root 27, nothing but 3 root 3. Okay, fine. Find the directional derivative of phi equals to e bar. Now this is the directional derivative equals to del phi by e bar by mod e bar. Now this is del phi is I plus j plus k, e bar is I 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Now divided by 3 root 3. Now 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3. 3 3s are 9 by 3 root 3. So root 3 and 3 cancel. 3 by root 3 is nothing but root 3. In the similar way, we will solve the another question. Same procedure here. In this problem, phi is given xy square plus yz cube. Okay. First to find del phi. Del phi equals to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Now using partial derivative with respect to x, y, z, with respect to x, y square, j into, with respect to y is 2xy plus z cube plus k into, with respect to z is 3y z square. Now at the point 2, first point, 2 minus 1, 1. In our previous problem, both the points are same. Here the points are different. Del phi equals to put x equals to 1, y x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1, z equals to 1. That is I plus j into 2xy is minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is 1 plus y into, that is minus 1 into z square is 1 into 3, that is minus 2k, minus 2 into k. So I plus j minus 2. No, not minus 2. So sorry. Plus k into 3 into, here 3 into minus 1 into 1, that is minus 3. Now this is I plus j minus 3k. Okay, this is del phi. In the similar way, assume some g equals to second function. What is the second function? X log x, x log z minus y square plus 4. Now here e bar equals to, what is e bar? E bar equals to del g, I dou g by dou x plus dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. Using this one, dou g by dou x equals to log z plus j into dou g by dou y is minus 2y plus k into log with respect to z is x by z. X by z. Now at the point, what is the point? Point is given minus 1 to 1. At the point minus 1 to 1, e bar equals to log 1 is 0. So that is minus 4j plus x by z is minus 1 into k. That is minus 4j minus k. So this implies mod e bar equals to square root of 16 plus 1. That is root 17. Okay. Now finally the directional derivative is what is the formula? Del phi dot e bar by mod e. So mod e. Now what is del phi? Already known. Del phi equals to I plus j minus 3k. I plus j minus 3k dot e bar is minus 4j minus k by root 17. Now simplification, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, minus 3 into 1 is plus 1 by root over 17, that is minus 3 by root 17 is the required directional derivative. Okay. In the similar way, solve the another problem, take it as homework. Find the directional derivative of this function phi equals to xy square z plus 4yz square at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1 in the direction of the normal to the function x log z minus y square at the point minus 1 to 1. What is the question? Hint. Directional derivative equals to del phi dot e bar by mod e. So what is e bar? E bar is del g. Now g equals to here, g equals to x log z minus y square. Now find gradient of phi at this point and g, gradient of g at this point. You will get e bar. After finding e bar, just find the directional derivative. You will get the required solution. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So we will discuss a very, very important question in the next lecture. Okay.